Hi guys, welcome back to another DIY tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to make Ankara necklace with rope. These are the materials I will be using. I'll be using this rope, paper, this is chain hook. Then we'll be using this different piece of Ankara fabric, Evostic gum, then scissors. On your rope, measure 24 inches length, 24 inches, and cut. I'm going to cut 4 of this rope, 24 inches length. We'll cut 4. So this is the 4 rope. I've cut them out. So now we'll pick each of the rope. Pick your Ankara fabric. The length of this Ankara fabric is 1.5. The width, the length can be as long as is enough for you to wrap this your rope. So we'll add Evostic gum to one side of the Ankara fabric and fold in. Add your gum and fold this way throughout. That's what I will do now. So guys, I've folded one part of the Ankara fabric. So you pick your rope and add little Evostic gum to the beginning of the rope. So guys, allow your gum to dry a little, then pick your Ankara fabric and start wrapping. You will use your folded edge to wrap the rough edge. So I will add gum and gum this. I will have to start with another fabric to complete the wrapping. So this is a new fabric. I want to continue wrapping. So when you get to the end of the rope, add your gum. You can cut the excess fabric that is remaining. So this is it. So I will wrap this other 3 rope this same way I've just wrapped this. So guys, this is the rope. I've wrapped the other 3 that is remaining. So now you bring your rope together. Use your needle and thread. I want to join them together. tie them with your needle and thread. I'll cut off this needle. This is sellotape. Use it to pin down this. I want to use it to pin it down. So now you're going to start weaving this. You start with this first one that is here. It comes up and went down, then come up. You start with the next one, up, down, up. You start with this one, up, down. You start with this one. So when you get to the end, you bring the edges together. We'll use needle and thread to sew it just the way I sew the other edge. This other mouth too, trim it out as well. We use this Ankara fabric to finish it up. This Ankara fabric is 2.5 inches by 1.5 inches. I will use ratio. I'll fold 1/2 inch in. Half inch in. And fold it on yourself. So you pick your necklace, add issue, and wrap. to dry. I will use this other piece to wrap this other side of the necklace. So guys, this is it. So you pick your linking chain now. We are going to fix one of these here and fix the other one here to hook the chain. Pick the other hook and fix on this part. So guys, this is it. Our Ankara necklace is ready. So this is our finished rope. Tell me what you feel about this tutorial in the comments section.